when it's hot and you ain't got no air conditioning, best thing to do, saw the roof off. Got our safety vest on, safety equipment. This is
Safety.
as it gets right here.
Safety, huh?
Yep.
This looks safe. Did you do your proper measurement?
Yeah, it's 3, 6, right here. All right, Kevo, take that and throw it in the dumpster. Prove them how we made that part happen. All right, next.
Mr. Ford will be so proud.
And sometimes you run into some small details like glass. It's okay. This here is a Milwaukee Sawzall, not a DeWalt, Milwaukee. It'll cut right through the glass. And not to note, but we do have Kevin clean up the glass. Man, it's getting close already. With our Milwaukee Sawzall, Milwaukee.
What kind of sunglasses you wearing there?
They are Nike. Neither one of these are sponsored, so we would really appreciate some reach outs.
Kevin, your sunglasses?
Oakley.
Oakley's. They're also certified in safety, correct?
OSHA approved. Boom. Flat black it and put 24s on it.
Stop.
I'm a serious hardback.
I know you are. Stop.
Right.
Oh, you gotta do your measurements so they match.
All of my shop teachers would be proud. This is a proper unit of measurement, even though they said it wasn't.
You might have a slight sound of wind.